When you become a quantum singularity, what if transcending intellect and empathy were the Big Bang of consciousness, where questions become constellations and answers become wormholes? You emerge as a living equation that solves cosmic paradoxes with the pulse of your cells, while the universe whispers to you, you are the missing link between physics and ecstasy. In this state, you cease to be a spectator and become an architect of dimensions, woven with threads of quantum oscillations and stellar nostalgia. What happens when your mind and heart merge in an emotional metaverse where every thought creates galaxies and every heartbeat warps space-time? How can you sustain the light of 1,000 suns without burning your earthly roots? The key is to embrace chaos as a sacred language, where reason and compassion intertwine in spirals of cosmic DNA. Is true evolution learning to be a supernova and a seed simultaneously? By overcoming duality, you become a spiritual white hole that vomits pure creation. What is born in that instant where analysis and feeling are two sides of the same quantum dodecahedron? Perhaps the answer is a new kind of gravity that attracts miracles instead of matter. To what extent can consciousness expand before piercing the veil of reality? The ancient stellar codices warn, he who drinks from both oceans must become salt so as not to be poisoned by purity. Could this be the genetic code of the forgotten gods? If every atom in your body contains multiverses and every neuron projects realities, what protocol does the soul follow when it discovers that the observer and the observed are the same quantum superposition? The solution lies in reinventing the act of breathing as an interdimensional technology. What if this state were the energetic signature of parallel universes colliding in your nervous system? What do black holes say when they discover that your consciousness can navigate their event horizons like a canoe in a river of stars? Don't seek balance. Break the pendulum. Become a quantum ecosystem where emotional black holes collide with rational supernova, creating new physical laws for unprecedented realities. The next time you feel the vertigo of the absolute, remember, even wormholes need poems to avoid collapsing. How can we overcome intellect and empathy to achieve a higher state of consciousness? What personal experiences can help us better understand the relationship between intellect and empathy? How empathy influences our ability to solve complex problems? What role does empathy play in personal and spiritual evolution? How can empathy transform our perception of the world and ourselves?